Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have some happy mail that I received and I want to share. This one comes from Tanya, who is Sunflower Dragon Queen, and she sent me this card for Halloween. I'm just behind, and so sweet of her, and she had told me something was on its way, and I got it. So she sent me this beautiful paper. She said when she saw it, she thought of me. Thank you, Tanya, you're so sweet. And it's Songs of the Sea. And you received 24 sheets of paper. And it looks like you also get this. Let's just open it and look really quick. I love Little Birdie. I have some other stuff by Little Birdie, and I love it. Oh, so it is a paper pack. I thought it was like individual, so that's neat. Oh, so this is so pretty. So you get 2 of each. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at that color. And this paper is super thick. And it's single-sided. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. She knows that I like nautical. Oh, that's so pretty. Oops, I'm skipping. No, I'm not. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Oh, look at the mermaid in the boat. It's really beautiful. And the bubbles. Oh, this is going to make for some beautiful cards. Oh, that's beautiful too. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the waves. Okay, and then you can cut these out. I would probably use a punch and punch them out. Those are so pretty. So you get 2 of those too. Oh, and then you can cut these out and use like ephemera. So cute. And then you get these. That boat is gorgeous. That mermaid, oh, and that lighthouse. That is so pretty. I love how good this cardstock is. Little Birdie is such a good name. Paper and other supplies that they have. And then she sent me the matching ephemera. And this is what you get. So cute. You get 22 pieces and you get 2 of each. And it's all glittery. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Tanya. I really appreciate it, hon. You're so sweet. Think of me. She did that to cheer me up, guys. And then I received an email from my friend, who is Heather Hamilton, who is Crafty Girl Heather here on YouTube. And she actually has a giveaway going, or a challenge / giveaway going on right now. If y'all could go show her some crafty love. She had sent me an email and asked me if she could send me a prayer blanket. And I said yes. And here it is. It is so pretty. I love it. I've been using it. And she sent it with this card. And I want to read it. And I'm sorry if I get emotional. So it says, "Dear precious one, covered with prayer. I've made you a special gift called a prayer blanket. When you are covered with it, know that you are covered in prayers. Each stitch represents a prayer prayed for you. Here are my prayers for your life. This blanket is made by human hands, by my human hands, but you are fearfully and wonderfully made by divine hands. I pray that you will know how special you are to God, Psalm 139:14. It took 3 strands of yarn wrapped together to make a strong yarn for this blanket. It will take 3 parts: you, your family, and God to make a strong life for you. I pray that you will depend on God and your family. Ecclesiastes 4:12. My hope for this blanket is to keep you warm and secure. How much more is God's plan? He wants to give you a future and hope. I pray that you will always put your hope in God. Jeremiah 29:11. Needles of Faith Ministry. And then it has 2 people, Mary Iva Jones and Gail Korfman. And Heather, thank you so very much. You really touched my heart. And thank you, Tanya. You touched mine too. And I thank all of you who've been praying for me. Y'all are too kind. Sorry. Just know that I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.